of making the perfect Mother's Day card. Don't really worry about my sister Alice, but please care for her and give us a like. So, first we get a piece of paper. Then we get another strip of paper. Then we get, of course, the secret heart. So, what you do, how to make a heart. So, you fold a piece of paper out. So, you fold a piece of paper. First, I'm going to show you how to make a heart. It's very simple, paper heart. First, you fold a piece of paper. Wait, before we do that, let's show you all the things we need. Glue, paper, a strip of paper, secret ingredient that I was just going to show you, a paper heart. Yes, so all that stuff. And we also need glue and scissors. So now I'm going to show you how to make a heart. So after you fold it, you go like that. And then maybe a bit more actually. And then to cut it off, that isn't perfect. I'll cut it a bit. That's a bit better. I'll give that to my sister Alice.
That's not a heart.
Don't worry. And please give a like for my sister. She is very, very sensitive. So now I'll continue on the card. So this is the card. This is the heart. This is the strip. This is the glue. And this is the scissors. Be careful. This project, careful. Always ask a grown-up. Which the grown-up is filming right now. So we got our heart. You open it up. Then we get the strip. Fold it like that. Then flip it around and fold it like that. Flip it around. Fold. Flip it. Fold. And then you got a little springy piece of paper. Then put that down. Open the glue. Then we glue one side of the card like so. Put the little strip on there. Push it down. Then we get our heart. This is the Liddy family who is filming this. And my dad is filming it. Then we get this. And when you're on Mother's Day, it's closed, but you open it and it springs. That's how you make a perfect Mother's Day card. And also, just so you know, you can also color it. And I'll show you how you can do it. Get some paint. I'm just drawing this my way. And then I'll talk to you. What do you like? What do you want? What did you wish for Christmas? Yeah, good. I've lived very long. And I have lived with my dad since I was a baby. My dad is a very good dad. He takes care of me. That's what he does. All dads do. So maybe on Dada Day, you can, oops, sorry. Anyway, to add a spring to it sometimes, you could just draw a normal heart. And then close the glue. Haven't done that. Close the marker. Haven't done that either. Grab some of these. Or use a perimeter marker. Or use a normal marker if your parent doesn't allow you using perimeter. But I allow. Set everything up for the perimeter marker. I draw it in the inside. And I'm very sorry I ripped the thing in the video. I did not mean that. And then you can draw exactly what I'm drawing, or maybe something else. Just so you know, on Mother's Day, it's the best day. Every day is Mother's Day. Mothers are the best. Perfect Mother's Day card.